Thank you and welcome to the Grap Coin YouTube channel. This is another ADA chart update video. We are still addressing the sideways triangle on the AD chart, as you can see. Furthermore, I've seen that on a few other charts like the file coin, which I don't usually discuss on YouTube. I think we were looking at a connection as well as a likely triangle. On these triangles, one may work with a few charts. We may be dealing with a sideways consolidation pattern that could develop into a triangle if the low from April 13th and the high from April 22nd stay the same. Hence, these triangles, especially this region below, can be described as a triangle range. In such scenario, the market can keep making lower highs and higher lows inside this range. Thus, a breakout is necessary to really show something groundbreaking on this chart. I'll watch for a moment, but let's see what we can accomplish today. Not maybe until next week. Somebody has to move the furniture. Let's all step out of the truck and apply some pressure. I hope that at last we'll receive this encouraging indication from. While there is still a lot of opportunity for cheaper pricing within this range, the yellow support region, we shall see. Since this ultimate low does not always materialize, we utilize boxes in the charts to represent the uncertainty. Now let us examine the general organization. We experienced, as you may remember, a 3-wave corrective pullback after a 5-wave upside run into the March highs. Wave 2, or a corrective pullback inside a bigger rally, is defined as the 3-wave retreat from the March high, which was the high of wave 1 into the current support level. Is this retreat over? One wonders. As I said before, there's nothing new on this chart. The market appears to be waiting for Bitcoin, so I can already stress it, but I can't prove it just now. Bitcoin continues to lead the market while we work through the structure of the emerging downward set. 3 waves up followed by a corrective retreat is not ideal, although it might lead to an upswing from here. At this point, it is more likely. Normally, we prefer to see a 5-wave advance that signals the signation of the uptrend. Still, the recovery from the lows was a 3-wave move, even though we entered the support zone. It is now less important that the trend line forms a triangle. Instead, we need to maintain our objectivity. Though there are other ways to count this, I believe we're more likely to see a triangle that is somewhat dispersed. It should be evaluated at the very least before the triangle is broken. Nevertheless, waves C, D, and E are very short and shallow. This is a 5-wave move, hence if I count the waves, the triangle is already complete. After then, we should witness a decline, but it takes, and this is crucial, a break below 41.9 cents to confirm that we are heading towards the price should drop into the 36 to 38 cent range, where there should be strong support after one more low in wave 5 of C of 2. At such point, we should ideally be attempting a reversal. Now, suppose we break to the upside. What then happens? I previously showed that there is this level will rule the triangle to be invalid. Short-term bullishness of the triangle would follow. In such case, we can begin to monitor the upside. It would need a break over 52.2 cents or the green line. To start the 3rd wave in orange, the price should ideally rise to 60 cents. Then we ought to see another 4/5 pattern, with wave 5 reaching 64.5 cents or a 5. The wave rises, and although we don't need to consider it, the 5-wave journey up is called a diagonal pattern. We might argue it makes sense, but right now it's simply a possibility, so I need confirmation that this is the case, and that confirmation would consist of formally invalidate the triangle, enabling straight bullish interpretations previously seen on the chart. But as I already said, until we witness more activity in that direction, further upward price action and momentum that would result in a triangle break, we cannot completely believe this. Break over 52.2 cents, an extension of the triangle would yet be possible, even if it would already be more likely if we broke over 47.6 cents. That brings an end to my AD update. This ought to be interesting to you. In such case, do subscribe, like, and comment. I like that you watched Grab Coin. Important to notice is the green line there. Though it is not the invalidation threshold, the 29-cent level is the level that, should it be broken and the price stays there, will undoubtedly lead to invalidation. Okay, so it's not invalidation, but it will most likely result in invalidation. Sayonara.